Today I would like to show you how to add colors, textures to Blender objects and how to render them. First, let's start by placing the 3D cursor in the center, and let's add a mesh like a cube, like a very basic cube. Now, cube is almost in the center, and I would like to show you how to render this cube in the render view. That is, like if you press F12. The thing is that right now I have no camera, and there must be camera to render the current view. So I'm gonna add a camera the same way I add meshes and objects. Like here it is camera, and now this camera has to be in the center. I need to place this camera in the correct position, so yeah, I will be able to see the cube from the camera. The triangle, the full triangle in the camera tells me that this camera is active. If this triangle was empty, it would mean that the camera is not active. Now let's try pressing F12. Yeah, that's what we see. That's not much, just a cube. But what will happen if you change the render to Cycles render? Maybe it should look... well, it looks a little bit different. Anyway, let's try to do it with Cycles renderer. There is now right now we can select the cube, and here it is. Yeah, this thing, the red circle. We need to select the type of viewport shading to material, and right now we can change the color of our object and preview surface settings. That's right. This color will be the way the object is seen in the rendering view, and this one changes the color we see it in our preview. So now if we press F12, we see that this object has color, albeit it's not very interesting to look at. And now the other thing which we would like to do is to add some texture. And for this, first let's add some kind of a light to the scene. And there is a lamp, and yeah, let's do it with a little sun, and let's see how it's going to look right now. As you see, it looks differently.